Hello traders, welcome back to FS page. If you are trading with a small account and struggling to grow it, you are not alone. Many traders start with limited capital, but with the right strategies, you can still build your account consistently. In today's video, I will show you how to trade Forex with a small account like Pro. You will learn risk management techniques, position sizing secrets, and strategic ways to scale up your profits without blowing your account. Stick with me until the end because I will share an advanced compounding strategy that can turn a small balance into a substantial account over time. Let's dive in. The challenges of trading with a small account. Trading a small account comes with unique challenges. 1. Limited capital. You don't have much room for large drawdowns. 2. High risk temptation. Many traders over-leverage hoping for quick gains. 3. Psychological pressure. A few losses can make you doubt your strategy. But don't worry, successful traders have turned small accounts into large ones using smart strategies. Let's talk about how you can do the same. Rule number 1. Focus on risk management. The number one mistake small account traders make, risking too much per trade. Here is a simple rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. For example, if you have a $100 account, risking 2% means your maximum loss per trade should be $2. Pro tip: instead of using a fixed lot size, calculate your position size based on your stop loss. This keeps your risk controlled and your account safe. Rule number 2. Trade high quality setups only. With a small account, you can't afford to take random trades. You need the best setup with high probability. Here's what you should look out for. Clear trend direction. Trade with a trend, not against it. Strong support, resistance levels. Look for price rejection at key areas. Confluence of indicators. Combine moving averages, Fibonacci or RSI for confirmation. Pro tip: be patient. It's better to take 3 high quality trades a week than 10 random ones. Rule number 3. Use leverage wisely. Leverage can help small accounts grow, but it's a double-edged sword. Low leverage 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 helps you manage risk safely. High leverage 1 to 500 can lead to fast account blowout. Pro tip: use leverage to your advantage but never over leverage. Stick to small lot sizes and proper risk management. Rule number 4. Use a scaling strategy. Here is how pro traders grow small accounts, scaling in and out of trades. Scaling in: start small, then add more as the trade goes in your favor. Scale out: secure partial profits instead of closing the entire trade at once. For example, you enter with 0.01 lots. As price moves in your favor, add another 0.01 lots. Lock in profits as the trade progresses. This strategy reduces risk while allowing you to maximize profits. Rule number 5. Compounding for long-term growth. The key to growing a small account isn't taking big risk, it's compounding your gains over time. Let's say you start with $100 and aim for 5% growth per week. Week 1, $105. Week 2, $110.25. Week 10, $162. Week 20, $265. By consistently reinvesting profits, your account grows exponentially. Common mistakes to avoid. Even experienced traders make mistakes. Here is what to avoid. Overtrading. More trades does not equal more profits. Be selective. Revenge trading. Don't chase losses. Stick to your strategy. Ignoring risk management. One bad trade can wipe out your account. Pro tip: keep a trading journal to track your progress and improve over time. Real life example: small account trade breakdown. Let's walk through a real example of trading a small account. Here is a trade I took on silver. The pattern the pattern I'm actually trading is on the H4 time frame, but for me to go in, I have to step down to M30, and you can see my risk, just $4, and I have been on this trade now for a couple of days. I entered yesterday, but I've been trading this and gold now for the past 2 weeks, and they have been so profitable. I opened this account specifically because of this, and you can look at this. This is gold USD. I entered here to this place. I exited thinking that price was going to reverse down, and I also bought again. I came down here, then I took a couple of short trades, and at this point I also bought here, and here we are. So currently I took shots around this zone. Currently I entered. Let me get rid of this Fibonacci retracement too. Let me delete this. So currently I entered 2 positions, and here we are. So this is what I want to show you, and as you can see, my lot size is 0.01, and 0.01, and currently I'm in profit. My profit is $66.50. So let me go back. So this is my live account. I opened this account specifically for the sake of this video. I opened this with $100, and now how much is it? It is now $238, and this account is not up to 3 weeks. It's not up to 2 weeks even. So you can start small and still make a lot of money. You don't need to risk anything, risk huge amount of money. Just start little. And another thing I want to tell you is that if you don't know how to trade, I also have a Telegram account where I share my live trade. So be part of the Telegram account where I'll be sharing live trades with you. Hopefully that can improve your trading. Trading with a small account isn't about making quick, risky bets. It's about trading smart, managing risk, and growing your balance steadily. Which of these strategies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more pro trading tips. Turn on notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.